similarity in right angle triangle. We're doing a theorem. Write down the statement. If a perpendicular is drawn, if a perpendicular, write down, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right angle, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right angle of a right triangle, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles, on both sides of the perpendicular, then the triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Then the triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle, and to each other, You will draw that diagram, write down given to prove, then we'll begin with the proof. यहाँ तक complete कर लो please. Prove this. Okay, we're going to prove this. See, first look at the two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Okay, ABC and ADB. Angle A, ABC and ABD. This angle is common. Angle A equals to angle A. Common angle. Now, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees, correct? Angle ABC. And in this triangle ADB, angle D is 90 degrees. Angle ADB, each is 90 degrees. Each is 90 degrees. Now, if the two angles are equal, the triangles are similar. If the two angles are equal, the triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity criteria. By AA similarity criteria. ये दो triangles similar हो गए. Now let's look at ABC and BDC. In triangle ABC and triangle BDC, angle C equals to angle C. Whether I say triangle ABC, this angle, and whether I say triangle BDC, it is still this angle. Both are the same. Angle C is common angle. Similarly, angle ABC, that is this angle ABC, and this angle BDC, both are 90 degrees, equals to angle BDC. Each is 90 degrees. Each is 90 degrees. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle BDC. Again, AA similarity criteria. This is number 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC, which is similar to triangle BDC, that is triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC. Okay, these are the three things that we have to prove. First is proved over here, second is proved over here, and this is the third that we have proved. Basically, what it says is, if there is a right angle triangle, and from the right angle, uske vertex se to the hypotenuse, if you draw a perpendicular, there will be three triangles that are formed. All three will be 90 degrees. All three will be right angle triangles. इसमें एंगल D90 रहेगा, इसमें ये वाला एंगल D90 रहेगा, इसमें ये वाला एंगल D90 रहेगा. But all of them will be right angle triangles, and all of them will be similar to each other. All of them will be similar to each other. Is this clear? ये कॉपी कर लो, इसमें कुछ नहीं समझा है तो पूछो. Because this we are directly going to use when we are going to prove Pythagoras theorem. That's the next theorem that we are going to do. When we are going to prove Pythagoras theorem, we are directly going to use this property. So please ये लिख लो यहाँ पर पूरा. Full thing you have to write down. Copy the entire Pythagoras theorem. Write down the statement for Pythagoras theorem. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares, is equal to the sum of the squares, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Draw this diagram after writing the statement. Okay. Copy till here, then I'll explain you the proof and then we will write it down. Okay, let's do it fast. I want to finish this. We may not be able to do the numericals, but at least let's finish this. Okay, please copy this. We are going to proceed. We are going to see how to prove Pythagoras theorem. Directly, I am going to say triangle ABC similar to triangle ABD. Triangle ADB, sorry, ADB. Change that to ADB. Similar triangle ADB. Ahad, Riza, can you see the board clearly? Ahad and Riza, can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
Clearly, na? Okay, Riza also can see clearly. Ian, देखो अभी क्योंकि बाकी दोनों को तो दिखाई दे रहा है बेटा. Okay. So in triangle, these two triangles are similar. अभी हमने इसके पहले प्रूव किया था. Okay, we have proven just now. Okay. So the moment we have proven that the triangles are similar, then I can say AB upon AD equals to AC upon AB. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay. So I bring this AB this side. I get AB into AB equals to AD into AC. That is AB square equals to AD into AC. I'll call this equation 1. I call this equation 1. Okay. AB square equals to AD into Similarly, I also have triangle ABC similar to triangle. What was that? Here you will have BC, BDC similar to triangle BDC. Okay, because the triangles are similar, I'll have again now I'll not take this, I'll take BC upon DC equals to AC upon BC. Again, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, now this I bring BC this side, so I have BC dot BC equals to AC into BC, that is BC square equals to AC dot BC. Call this 2. Add both of them. Adding 1 and 2. 1 is AB square, 2 is BC square equals to AD into AC plus AC into BC plus AC into BC. From this AC is common. Just a second. Okay. And later on you can just go through the video. I don't know why it is not visible to you, because बाकी दोनों को तो दिखाई दे रहा है. But anyways, just understand. So when I add 1 and 2, I get AB square plus BC square equals to AD into AC plus AC into BC. That is AB square plus BC square. यहाँ से AC common है, so I'll take AC outside. I'm left with AD plus DC. Now AD plus DC is nothing but AC. AD plus DC is nothing but AC. So that is equals to AC into AC, which is equals to AC square. So that is what we have to prove. Therefore, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is what was our proof. This is your Pythagoras theorem. Of course, you have been using this theorem since 8th standard or maybe even before that, but for this standard is when we have the proof. इससे पहले हमने कभी proof नहीं किया था. So please copy this. Then we are also going to see the converse of this. Okay. ये फटाफट copy कर लो. Then we'll see the converse of this. And I don't think we'll have after that time. So we'll have one more day we'll have to give to this chapter. Otherwise, I thought we would move to the next chapter. Anyways, no problem. स्कूल में क्या चल रहा है किहान आपके? विच चैप्टर? ट्रायंगल्स खत्म हो गया है या ट्रायंगल्स ही चल रहा है? और चल रहा है तो कहां पर है आप लोग? मैं नेट गया.